Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So MelodySusie sent me over this adorable little drill. I've seen a few people use this. It's so cute. I can't wait to open it up and share it with you guys. This is the Jade rechargeable nail drill, or e-file, however you want to say it. So we're gonna do a little unboxing here. I'm gonna show you the e-file, and then I'm gonna use it for a couple of days, and I'm gonna come back and let you know what I think of it. So first thing, when you open your box, as always, you get your little user manual. Make sure you do go over these because they have lots of good information in them. And then this is the unit. It is so cute. It's really small. I'll show you my other one. Okay, this is the one that I have been using. This is the Sparkle Plus. It's really nice. It's got a good bit of weight to it. This one's very lightweight, and you can see the size difference here. It's a pretty good bit smaller. And it's got a little bit of a different shape. It's got really cute features on it, like this rose gold. So cute. And then this is our handpiece. And it's white and rose gold as well, but this is like a brushed, kind of like the brushed nickel look. It's like brushed rose gold. It's really pretty. And it's really small. It's a good bit shorter than my other one. Also a lot lighter, which is great. And I like that it's not a big bulky handpiece either. It's a nice size and it's really lightweight. So that is great. And then we get... You get a little cradle if you would like to use your handpiece that way, or you get a little piece for the side of your unit here, which just clicks right in. And then this is how I prefer to store mine. And then this end goes right up here. Plug that in, and it is rechargeable. So here is your charging cord. And then they also send, as always, a little bit kit. This is kind of your standard bit kit where you get your mandrel and your little diamond bits and a bag of sanding bands. Okay, so that's everything in the box. I'm going to turn it on. We're gonna see if it's got any charge to it. Make sure our handpiece is locked. It's got a good bit of charge to it. Turn off my light. It's a little bit louder than I expected it to be. It's a 30,000 RPM. And you can see it says what your battery life is and that it's in the forward direction. Right here you can switch it over to reverse. And it'll give you a little indication there, an R, showing you that you're in reverse. So it's got a good charge to it, so I'm not going to charge it. I'm going to use it today, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to let you guys know what I think of it.
I could not get this thing to load. I don't know. See, like when I tried to get hold of them the other day, it was like crazy busy too. I tried to do a chat with the service representative.
Really? Yeah.
They love them.
I just love the shape on you so much.
Can I tell you what one of my teachers said?
What?
One of my teachers said, "Oh, when summer comes, I'm not going to get to see your nails."
Aw.
'Cause every time I get my nails done, she wants to see what I had to do.
Okay guys, so I only recorded filing on this one client, but I did use this e-file quite a bit, and I actually was just going to come back in a couple days, but now it's been a couple of months, so it has had a very good test. I've been using it every single day for, like I said, about 2 months. I've charged it maybe 4 times total, so the charge, it's a little less than my previous e-file, but it's pretty good. So, and I do a fair bit of clients a day. I do probably anywhere between 3 to 5 clients a day, and it holds a really good charge. So I've been charging it about every other week. So I think that's fantastic. and it's a great little e-file. It did not bog down at all. It's got excellent torque, and this one comes in at about $100. With a coupon code, you can get it for probably, I think, $93. So I think it's a great little e-file for the money, and I'm going to continue to use this one. I actually like it better than the Sparkle Plus. So this is going to be my new file. Thank you so much, MelodySusie, for sending this one over, and I will see you guys next time.